Hi, Martin here with another video, and today I'm going to show you how you can record your screen on Windows. So let's get started. Okay, so the first thing we're going to want to do is open up a program called the Snipping Tool. Now you can do that by searching down for it over here in your search bar. What you're looking for is an icon that looks like this one here. Once you've found the snipping tool and you click on it, you'll be greeted with a window that looks like this. So within the snipping tool, you can create screenshots, but we can also record our screen, which is what we're looking to do. You can also see here it says, press Windows logo key, Shift and R to start recording. So if I close this, go down to my bar, go Windows, Shift, and then R, what we'll see is that we have now popped up and we're here ready to start recording. So the first thing we're going to do when we want to record is we're going to hit the icon here that shows the little recording camera icon. From there, we then need to select the area. So we're going to click and hold, and we're going to select the area that we want to record. So I'm going to select everything except for my taskbar down here. So you can see now I've selected an area, the bar up here has shifted. So now we have start. And over here is where we can, if we want to record our voice, we can select the microphone. So I have an external microphone plugged in here, or I have the built-in microphone, or I can keep it as mute. So I'll keep it as mute for now. And then what we're going to do is I'm going to hit the start button. It'll give us a countdown, 3, 2, 1. And then from here, we are now recording our screen. So I can go about, click into things, click out. Once I've finished with my screen recording, I'm going to hit the stop button. So when I hit stop, I'm then greeted back to the snipping tool window. And from here, there's a few different things that we can do. So we could go ahead and click on trim, and we could start to edit our video in here straight away. We can also then go over to probably the most important and click save, so we can save our recording to our device. We can copy, so if you want to instantly copy and paste, you can do so. This is probably more useful when it comes to things like screenshots. We can instantly share, so if we want to go ahead and send this via email to somebody, we can do that on there. So there you have it. It's incredibly easy to be able to screen record on Windows using the snipping tool. I hope you found this video useful. If you have, please give the video a like, subscribe for more tech tips, and I'll see you next time.